Do parrots like to play? This is Venus, my African gray, who came over and is stalking me because she likes my husband and not me. I'm trying to do a little work. She's trying to cause a little mayhem. What are you doing? She wants to steal my stuff, and I'm a little concerned that she might want to bite me because she likes my husband and not me. And if there's something in my hands, it seems like it's more interesting for her. What you doing, Venus, huh? What you doing? That's the evil eye. But does she want to play? I think so. You want a stick? Want to bite the stick? Yeah. I don't know about this girl. She's trouble. Trouble. And she's stalking me.